Today's video is brought to you by DJI Tech. Today we are in Montreal, Canada, testing the new Fujifilm X100 VI. First stop, street photography in the snow. Autofocus stays solid, snowflake in front of the lens, no problem. It kept tracking my subject without many misses, very impressive. The 40 megapixel sensor is fantastic, you can crop later if needed. Lens is fixed at 35mm f2, even wide open edge stays sharp. Colors are clean, contrast is soft and detail remain clear. Overall, the X100 VI surprised with this performance in low light. Next, the metro, low light, moving passenger, flashing neon light, fast train. Autofocus struggled a few times, but ISO performance was good and noise stayed under control. The 40 megapixel sensor helps to crop and reframe shot letters. For everyday shooting, the X100 VI is reliable and fun. It's handles street and metro conditions better than you might expect. Quick shout out to the gear that made this shoot easier. The DJI Tech Pocket Sling kept everything organized and accessible, weather resistant, compact and perfect for winter shooting on the move. And the DJI Tech Mac Cam 2 is honestly a little monster, a MagSafe grip for the iPhone with a built-in fill light, a stand and an integrated battery, plus physical control for zoom and the shutter. It transforms your phone into a full shooting rig for behind-the-scene clips or kick shots. At night, autofocus struggles more. Even at f2 and ISO 1400, many shots were blurry. Small sensors have limits in very low light. Stabilization helps, but it can't match full frame or medium format camera. Still, it's a fun camera to document trips, everyday life and vacation. Just don't expect it to replace your main professional camera. My Fujifilm medium format is far superior in light and stabilization. That says the X100 VI is lightweight, portable and easy to carry around. Perfect for travel, casual photography and everyday life. Sharp, clean image most of the time, with room to crop thanks to the 40 megapixel sensor. The 35mm f2 lens performs well, even in tricky light. Not a professional main camera, but very enjoyable for personal projects. What do you think? Would you use the Fujifilm X100 VI as your main camera? Tell me in the comments and let me know why. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos like this.